while I enter the groove. I'm on top and happy to prove to whack MCs who claim to be better than. No way, I'm frankly more clever than all of you, each and every one, my son. Pay close attention, I'll take your brain to another dimension. Hold it, mold it, shape it. You got a knife? Yes, I wanna scrape it up and down, sideways, anywhere I can. Be rude to you, but I'll rap and be crude to you and eat up. Toy ducks I beat up. I am the oven your brains I wanna heat up. Mega, supersonic degrees. I come around roasting MCs with fire to burn the toy liar. Raw meat, turn the flame higher. Cook it like a fish, I hook it. For any beat, it's time that I took it right, correctly to the top. With the rhythm and as your head bop, I'm hyped for the critical beatdown.
I'm attacking them, my job is stacking them. For every rapper must I be smacking them once or twice in the face. With rough beats, producing the bass that blow out, cause power to go out. In a spark, I'm ready to blow out like this. Altitude level, reaching forth, stomping every devil in sight. You might just wanna bite my illusions, mental confusions. You're on Mars, skulls up and abusing, losing any rapper who follow me. Your girl loves me. Back up, move on to the rear. When I'm on, the stage should be clear. Speaking, going ear to ear. Places far, ducks would appear for the countdown. So you wait to rhyme and twist. Stuttering, uttering, parquet margarine, everything buttering, another thing. You should have been a muppet, a toy boy, a thin string puppet. I'm taking titles and punks better up it. To me, said G on the mic and I'm hyped for the critical beatdown.
Here's the K, combine the double O. Swinging the L, I'm ready to go as Keith. Rap General Chief Executive, plus exquisitive mandatory. Capital statements, I am the teacher preaching what makes sense. Class, you wasn't able to pass. For any germ or lice who come last, I'm boric. High computing asset, get off the mic and won't you please pass it to me? For a 1-2 check, give me a pound and lots of respect, no hands. You're disappointing my fans. You're on reverb and talking through cans. Hello, how are you doing? I come to wreck and parties I ruin with rhymes, pumping up smoke. These are advances making them choke and cough up. The hard-headed I soft up, spongy. Then after that drink a dungy. Roll the cess, the Buddha with the gungy. Puff up, while I make tough stuff up. I'm cool, keep cold, ripping them C's. I'm hyped for the critical beatdown.